The California coast is a place of rhythm, where land and sea meet in a timeless dance. Each morning the sun rises over the Pacific, surfers paddle out and families fill the golden sands. The ocean's steady pulse erases footprints, offering a sense of freedom and peace. This coastline is more than scenery, it's a character in California's story, inspiring generations. On this perfect July morning, the sky was clear, the air warm, and life unfolded as usual. No one suspected anything unusual. The Pacific kept its secrets well. But deep beneath the surface, something was about to change everything. The day's calm would soon be replaced by a thrilling sense of the unknown. The sounds of the beach, gulls, waves, distant laughter, were a familiar symphony. There was no warning, no sign in the sky or sea, yet a discovery was imminent, one that would interrupt the endless summer. The world's gaze was about to turn to these waters. The California coast was on the brink of a new chapter. The first sign of trouble came not from the shore, but from a research vessel, the RV Horizon, miles out at sea. The crew was mapping the seafloor with sonar, expecting routine data. But the sonar revealed an anomaly, a large, perfectly smooth, symmetrical object. The readings were so strange, the team ran the scans multiple times. No errors, just the same mysterious shape. This was no shipwreck or geological feature. The captain contacted the Coast Guard and NOAA, relaying the data through secure channels. Authorities responded quickly, closing 50 miles of California beaches. The announcement was brief but shocking, breaking the coast's familiar rhythm. The endless summer was suddenly on hold. The Pacific now held a profound mystery. The world's attention shifted to what lay hidden in the deep. The chain of events set in motion would soon be felt by millions. The calm of the coast was shattered. A new enigma had emerged from the depths. News of the beach closures spread rapidly, first as alerts, then as a media storm. Helicopters circled, Coast Guard vessels patrolled, and police turned people away from the sand. The coastline fell eerily silent, the usual laughter replaced by the hum of patrols. Crowds gathered on bluffs, searching the horizon for answers, but the mystery was hidden beneath the waves. Scientists worldwide mobilized, eager to investigate the anomaly. Research teams prepared submersibles and analysis equipment, sensing a discovery of global importance. Government officials walked a tightrope, sharing little information but urging calm. Press conferences offered few details, fueling public curiosity and speculation. The lack of answers only deepened the intrigue. The world watched and waited, united by a sense of wonder. The familiar coast had become a stage for the unknown. The Pacific's secret was now everyone's obsession. The waiting had just begun. The investigation's next step was a descent into the abyss. The RV Horizon deployed its ROV, Triton, into the dark depths. As Triton descended, sunlight faded to blackness, the midnight zone. The ROV's lights revealed strange deep-sea creatures, then something more, the anomaly itself. It was a massive, perfect sphere, smooth and dark, absorbing the ROV's light. No seams, no markings, just flawless, metallic surface, partially buried in sediment. The control room was silent as the cameras circled the object, capturing every detail. The sphere showed no signs of corrosion, baffling the scientists. It didn't match any known technology or natural formation. The first close-up only deepened the mystery. The object was an enigma, silent, colossal, and utterly alien to anything seen before. The team realized they'd found something extraordinary. The world's questions multiplied. The mystery had only grown. As scientists probed the deep, life on shore changed. Beach closures stretched on, businesses suffered, but curiosity eclipsed concern. Online forums buzzed with theories, military tech, meteorite, even extraterrestrial origins. The hashtag California anomaly trended worldwide. The sphere became a symbol of wonder, sparking conversations and uniting strangers. The mystery transcended daily worries, reminding everyone of humanity's drive to explore. The object was a puzzle for all to solve. The world was captivated by the unknown. On the RV horizon, experts from every field worked around the clock. The ROV's sensors analysed the sphere's surface, metallic but of an unknown alloy. Geologists ruled out natural origins. The sphere was too perfect, too advanced. Archaeologists found no match in human history or legend. The object didn't fit any known timeline or civilization. Theories ranged from extraterrestrial probe to lost advanced civilization, even future technology. Each idea was extraordinary, but none could be dismissed. The artifact defied explanation, an orphan of history and science. The team was left with more questions than answers. The sphere's purpose, age and origin remained elusive. The investigation pressed on, driven by the unknown. The world waited for a breakthrough. The mystery deepened with every test. Why not bring the object to the surface? The answer: caution. The sphere rests in a stable environment. Moving it could trigger unknown reactions. Exposure to air or sunlight might cause chemical changes or release harmful substances. Its structure and weight are unknown. Lifting it could destroy it or scatter its contents. Scientists proceed methodically, collecting data from a safe distance. Every step is debated and measured, prioritizing safety over speed. Beach closures and exclusion zones protect both the public and the artifact. Responsible science means respecting the power of the unknown. The investigation moves slowly, but with purpose. The world must wait for answers. As of July 22, 2025, the investigation continues. A massive, mysterious sphere rests on the Pacific floor, its origin and purpose unknown. Scientists use high-resolution scans and remote tools to study every detail. The next step: attempt a delicate sample collection with the ROV. Each new discovery brings more questions than answers. The sphere has changed how we see our own planet, reminding us of Earth's hidden frontiers. The deep ocean remains as mysterious as any alien world. This anomaly has inspired a new era of exploration and wonder. The story is still being written day by day beneath the waves. We are all part of this journey, united by curiosity and awe. Thank you for joining us as we seek answers in the deep. Stay connected, keep wondering, and look at our world with fresh eyes. The greatest discoveries may still be ahead.